Hey guys, today we're talking about our new roofing store, the LarOn 21, which came out in February of this year. It's an update from our already existing and very well known machine LarOn. Okay, let's get started. First of all, for what is the LarOn 21 used?
This automatic welding machine is used on roofs to weld different materials like TPO, PVC and so on. Speed depends on the material thickness and the temperature you use, but with the perfect conditions you can weld up to 21 meters per minute with our LarOn 21. With that speed we have the fastest automatic welding machine in the world. Time is money, so there you have your first argument why you should get a LarOn 21 instead of some other machine.
Here we have the main switch, which has a new test position to check your main voltage. If it fits to your device, you can start the LarOn 21. With this we want to make sure that you can protect your machine against overvoltage. On this display you can see the set and the actual temperature. To set the temperature you just have to press up or down. Sometimes you don't want the full airflow, therefore we built in this potentiometer. You can regulate the airflow down to 50%. When your setup is done, you can turn the heater on with this switch. Now you have everything ready to go to the speed side. Let's get to the speed part. On the top you have a display which shows you the actual speed setting. This setting is changed by the potentiometer in the middle. You can adjust the speed from 0.5 to 21 meters per minute or 1.6 to 68.8 feet per minute. Usually the automatic drive start mode is used. As soon as you slide in the heater, the LarOn 21 will start and do what it does best. But if you like to start the drive manually, you can turn the switch to hand. As soon as the switch is on hand position, the drive will start.
One amazing feature is the GPS tracking. In every LarOn 21 you purchase, you have an integrated GPS tracker. With this tracker, you can check the location of your machine. Once it's plugged in and also for approximately 2 hours after it's plugged out. You can check the location via our brand new My BIK app. We will start to add even more features to the app soon, so be sure to check it out.
At the other end of the LarOn 21, you will find two weights. These can be added or removed as required. Two weights are included with your LarOn 21 order. Additional weights can be ordered from all official BIK partners. Even the weights of your old LarOn will fit on the new LarOn 21. You need additional weights if you want to go faster. What else do we have on the LarOn 21 that is better than before? On the LarOn 21 we improved the roller sliding part. Now it's easier to slide and it's built much stronger than before. The stop bolt is much closer to the heater. You can reach it with 2 fingers.
The new guide handle allows you to put the LarOn 21 into the transport case without taking it off. And it's completely steepless adjustable.
Then we have this nice sticker here, which means that the LarOn 21 is 100% produced in Switzerland.
100% Swiss quality in our facility in Kearns, Obwalden, with our employees who work every day to provide you with the best machines and, equally important, the best service.
Of course, now you also want to know how expensive this machine is, because there has to be a catch, right? We are a family-owned business and work with many local suppliers since many years. Our target is to give you the very best quality for an affordable price. Send us an email and you will be surprised about how competitive our prices are. Get your next generation welder now and join the BIK family. We can't wait to hear from you. Thank you for watching.
The LarOn 21 is an innovative, efficient and high-speed machine. It's the fastest welder on the market. It's designed for the most demanding job sites. You have a digital display to check the voltage before operation. You have the My BIK app with full access on the location of your machine via GPS tracker. You get what we promise, 100% Swiss made, highest quality you will find in a welder. Great after-sales service. If you have a problem, our service centers are there to help you anytime.